What's going on, guys? Ocean Super here, and we are on our way to Texas. We're already about an hour into the trip, but we're stopping for gas, and I forgot to record an intro whenever I was leaving, so I'm doing it now. I gotta be honest with you guys, I'm not looking forward to this, because we got about 7 hours left, well, about 6 hours left. I already did an hour. Oh man, she's running good. She's just running beautifully. We got the coolant flushed. I fixed my bolt. My bolt had fallen off. Guys, this throttle lock is a lifesaver. It is a lifesaver. Like 20 bucks on Amazon. It saves your wrists. It saves your wrists. You can stretch your back and everything. But yeah, so we got a full day riding, and I'll keep you guys updated when we get back on the road.
A few inches later.
Have you ever just gotten f***ed and you didn't really know why? You don't know what you did. Is that standstill traffic? So remember that time that I was saying, why do I keep getting f***ed? I just got f***ed again. I can't see shit. Whose idea was this? I don't know. Well, the trip to Texas is just going splendid. It's going splendid. We're like an hour and 40 minutes into the 7-hour ride. I'm soaked. I've been stopping still. Whatever. This is fucking incredible. This is incredible. Oh, guys. Okay, so rule number 1 for planning a road trip: make sure you're not riding into the fucking rain. I was just sitting at a gas station for like an hour waiting for the rain to let up. It finally started letting up. It was still raining. I just left anyway because I can't sit there all day. I got Texas to get to. If you guys don't have a throttle lock, you gotta get one. Like, this is great. Like, this is so good. I'm just doing so great. You know, the rain's gone. If I had some soup, I could drink some soup right now and I would just be great. And I'd just be drinking it and I'd not have a care in the world. This is great, man. I can stretch my back. Oh yeah, I needed that. Oh, right up the middle. This is great. This is great. We're like, I don't know, 3 hours into the trip. I just feel fresh. I feel fresher than baked beans. I'm so good. That gas station isn't good. Wow, that gas station was, that kind of ruined the mood. We got 4 hours and 20 minutes left. At this rate, I'm doing great. 280 miles. Oh, I can do another 10 hours if I so please with that throttle lock. These gloves are so thick, I don't know if I pressed the power button on the GoPro or not. If I didn't, I'm just talking to myself and you'll never see this. But if you're seeing this, that means I did turn it on. Wait, no, back the other way. No, not the other way. Oh, right there. Straightest and narrow. I am speed. Faster than fast. Quicker than quick. Float like a butterfly. Sting like a bee. I don't know if you guys have been to Buc-ee's, but yeah, it's insane. There's like 5,000 pumps here, and there's pretty much a Walmart Supercenter inside with better everything. Oh, it's just beautiful. It's just great. Okay, bye.
Meanwhile.
Well, that wasn't fucking recording. I've been recording for 20 minutes. Oh, I'm fucking stupid. Oh, I gotta say all this shit again. I'm suffering from heat exhaustion. I'm in Dallas in 5 o'clock traffic. The views are nice, but my body's dead. We're going through it. We're getting through it, but we're also going through it. So that's the update. You know, the last clip was like 10 minutes long, but since I'm an idiot and I'm suffering from heat exhaustion and heat soak, I stopped the recording instead of started it. Bro, I might just have to, I might pull over and just kill myself right here. Dude, my neck hurts so bad. Guys, I can see the finish line. We're almost out of it. There's no more red. There's just yellow, which means that the traffic hasn't stopped. I better not jinx it. Oh, please, Dallas gods. Dallas highway gods, please. We're almost out of it. I've been sitting in this traffic for literally an hour, which is, anyone from Dallas or anywhere, anyone from anywhere in any big city in Texas has probably been like, wow, only an hour stuck in traffic? That's like a good day. You should be praising God for that. But, no, I'm not. I'm gonna bitch because this is f***ing ridiculous. I'm just a bundle of joy right now. Bundle of joy and pheromones.
One eternity later.
Welcome back, guys. We are an hour and 42 minutes away. We made it through Dallas. We stopped and got gas, and now we're on the final leg. 128 miles left. We're gonna get there at 9:20. We were supposed to get there at like 6, but we stop like every hour so our bodies just don't completely kill us. I need gas, I need gas. Oh yeah. I've been in Texas for a few days now. Well, about like a week, honestly. Like 5 days, 6 days. I'm just loving every minute of it. When you're on the road, everyone's trying to kill you. That's just kind of how it is. I think it's beautiful. It's like a beautiful harmony. The ride out here honestly wasn't that bad. It was like, it's like 7 hours or 7.5 hours of riding at least. This throttle lock saved my ass. I'm dead ass about to move to Texas. This is great. The whole vibe here is just different. The only thing that hurt right now are my knees from being bent, but my back is pretty good. If you have the throttle lock, yeah, I can just sit here like this with my back straight, you know, and my back is just great. This doesn't hurt my back at all. Doing road trips on sport bikes, the main thing, hold on, where am I turning? The main thing is to not be in a hurry. Whenever you're stopped, take your time. Lay down for 10-15 minutes, man. It completely just revitalizes you. I get a Gatorade, I down a whole Gatorade, and I just lay there and let it soak into my body. Oh, it's just great. It's just beautiful. But that's really the key to it. But man, I feel great. I'm gonna feel it tomorrow probably. But 7 hours on a Super Sport, 7.5, you know, it turns into about a 9.5 hour ride, or trip, I should say. So, final thoughts. Can you road trip on a Super Sport on a 1000? Yes. Is it difficult? I honestly wouldn't say so. It depends on how patient you are, because you need to let your body rest. So you ride for an hour or so, pretty much anyone's gonna need gas after like an hour and 15 minutes. So pretty much every time you get gas, just get gas, park, and just lay down. Just lay flat on your back for like 15 minutes. It'll make all the difference in the world. That's the only reason I could even do it. One other thing you need is a throttle lock. If you don't have a throttle lock, don't even do it.